Okay, hopefully it's focused. Still, I will take a look at my earring. Period poo. Period poo. New video, you don't want to miss a video from me. And I'm looking at this page because you know what we're going to be talking about today. We are going to be talking about natural beauty. Okay, so before I start with this video, a disclaimer: I'm not here to tell you guys on how to be beautiful without makeup and this and that. It's your own opinion, but I do wish that this kind of videos should go viral than makeup videos, because I do know people like makeup, not like just because to make themselves beautiful. It's just how do you say it? It's just for fun, right? People do makeup for fun. Some people do makeup for fun. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that today I'm going to be giving guys 11 tips on how to be natural beauty without makeup, how to be naturally beautiful without makeup. And when I'm doing my makeup, I'm talking about concealer, highlighter, what do you call it, foundation powder, those kind of things that can actually spoil your skin, those kind of things. Beautiful, because a lot of people need that tips, because I know there's people who are not confident in their face or their bodies. So I'm just here to give you guys tips, and these tips do work for me sometimes, and it depends on my mood of the day. So the first one on my list, I wrote it down on a book, on a notepad, because your girl just be forgetting stuff. So the first one on my list is build up your confidence. So basically what I'm trying to build up your confidence is that there is a lot of people, it takes years for people to be confident. Sometimes it takes days for people to be confident. Sometimes it takes inspiration, word of inspiration for people to be confident, because there's a lot of people that is not confident, even with guys that are not confident with their face or their body or like anything involving like your insecurities. So you just have to build up your confidence before you can do these things that I mentioned. My list is have a skincare routine. So basically a skincare routine, you know, everything you do basically every single day, and skincare routine is like a must. Because let's say you buy product now, you don't know what you're using that product for. You need to like build up your skincare routine. I have a skincare routine that I do every single day, except I am tired and except I'm lazy. But I have to take care of my skin. But sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't do it. Okay, it depends on my mood. Okay, but build up a skincare routine, because you need to build your face, your acne. And I know some people do skincare and still don't work for them. But you know, there are other people who build up their own skincare routine. So build up a skincare routine that you can have on a daily basis, so you can use that every single day. You won't be thinking, oh, what thing should I use today, or what thing should I use tomorrow, or what thing should I buy today. So you should know what kind of products you use, so you could buy it every single time, repeatedly. So the third one I have is sleep. So you basically, if you don't know, if you don't sleep, sometimes you have acne. I've had that thing before. I didn't sleep for 12 hours. Oh my gosh. Don't let me talk about that. I have acne and it's just like bad. So like sleep every time. I don't mean sleep every time, but like I have 7 hours of sleep. Me, I sleep for like 12 hours and my skin is always clear, because I always notice when I sleep more, I have clear skin. I just noticed that's how my skin is. So the fourth one is eat less junk food / eat no. My body, okay, when I notice my body, whenever I eat junk food, I notice sometimes I get acne and sometimes I don't get acne. It depends on your kind of body type, on your like inside. But sometimes if you don't know, I just noticed something actually. Some people, you need junk food yet to actually have clear skin. That's like the weirdest thing I actually found out on the internet, which is really weird, because you know junk food does something bad to your body, but for others it does good things to their body. So eat less junk food and eat more junk food. Depends on body type. So the fifth one is wear earrings. If you guys don't notice, or at least if you notice, whenever you wear earrings, you make it look like earrings make you look perfect. Like there's just something about some different earrings that makes you look like you're beautiful, like the most beautiful person in the whole world. It makes you look like you have makeup on but you don't. It makes you look like your face is like skinny, and sometimes your face is like fat, and your face is like, you know, just like a transformation like earrings give someone. It's just like weird vibes. That's why I love earrings. I'm so obsessed with earrings. If you guys do know, so the sixth one is wear eyelash. If you don't know, eyelash makes you look like you got makeup on you, but you don't. I started wearing eyelashes recently because I didn't know how to wear eyelashes before. If you watch my other videos, I just told you guys how to wear lashes. Right now I'm wearing lashes. Like, look, I have no makeup on and I'm wearing lashes and I'm wearing a earring. Like, tell me, how does this look? Exactly, earrings makes you, and eyelashes make you look good. Like, no cap, good, like a baddie. Seventh one is wear lip gloss. Again, lip gloss, eyelashes, and earrings. A perfect point. Okay, because there's some I've seen girls with lip gloss and they're like, damn, she look good, let me buy that lip gloss. And like, when I put it on, sometimes it doesn't fit with that person that says that same thing. Again, we have different kind of shape, and it might not fit me, but it might fit her. So lip gloss, especially the shiny, the shimmer, shimmer, whatever you want to call it, make you look dead as good. No cap. The eighth one is wear mascara. You know, I want to say mascara is a makeup, but it's not a makeup because you're not putting it on your skin. Honestly, I don't even know, but wear mascara. If you have a long eyelashes, please show it off by wearing a mascara. Because I've seen a lot of people, if you don't know Addison Rae, she wore mascara. I'm like, girl, do you have lashes on? And Daniel Con, they have perfect eyelashes, and I'm like, you need to show it off, because you guys have seen Daniel Con. She wore earring, eyelashes. You know, she did a mascara, and she just did her eyebrows without no makeup, and she's looking gorgeous. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Mascara make you look good. Like, bring out your lashes and let me see how long they are, and show it off. Okay, be flawless. Next one is one of my favorite one, is hairstyles. Hairstyles make you look good. Okay, there are some hairstyles that when you do your hairstyle, you look so bad, you look so ugly, you look so, how do I say it? Not like, it doesn't fit you. Those kind of hairstyles, yeah. Let's say you do a braid now. If you notice that when you put your braid up, like if you put a braid in ponytail, braids always look good in ponytail. Don't come for me, but yes, it does look good in ponytails. Like, yes, and look good with ponytail. Honestly, braid looking down doesn't look that much good, except we wear makeup. Just my opinion, because I've noticed it. Hairstyles make you look good, like you got makeup on, but you don't. One is stress-free. You need to be stress-free, because if you have a lot of stress on your mind, or you're like being stressed, except from like the time of the month, which is different because you get acne and like stuff on your face. But stress-free, if you're like stress-free, girl, no acne is gonna be there, because there's nothing to stress about. It is not, because I know a lot of people have a lot of things to stress about. Even kids, they do have things to stress about, and like, it's just like everybody has stress, no matter what. If you don't have stress, be confident. The 11th one, be confident. I know I said number one is like build up your confidence. So if you build up that confidence, at the end, when I mention those things like skincare routine, mascara, all these things, you need to be confident before you're able to do those things. When you build up your confidence, at least you take those steps, then at the end you become confident in those things that you're actually doing. Honestly, I learned that the hard way, and I learned that the easy way in life. People are still gonna judge you, even though you look pretty, even though you look ugly, even though you look like a baddie. People will still judge you. They will judge you even though you got makeup on. They will judge you even though you have the longest hair ever. They will still say you're ugly. If you have no makeup on, they will still say you're ugly. Some will say you're pretty. In this world, is always a judgmental word. Just like judgment every single day and day in life. We just have to deal with it. We just have to do with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you give this a thumbs up. And guys, I really hope more people could do this kind of videos, how to be natural beautiful without makeup. If you're new, make sure you subscribe on the post, you should get notified every single time I drop a new video. And if you reach to the end of the video, make sure you drop this emoji to see if you're actually watching to the end of my videos. And I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm just used to doing this thing. But I'll see you guys. Oh wait, I forgot to do my thing. Make sure you share the video with your friends, family, activists, nature, dog, snake, anyone, the whole wide world. Tell them to know that I am right in this building. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Kehinde out.